हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम सौम्या है। एंड आज की जो रीडिंग है वो ये है कि जो आपके जो पार्टनर है वो नए लव के दौर पे आएंगे या पास्ट लाइफ से आएंगे, यानी कि यू विल गेट अ न्यू लव और ओल्ड लव फ्रॉम योर पास्ट और पास्ट पार्टनर। ओके, सो वी हैव टू डेक्स हियर. Deck 1 is this clear quartz crystal and second is black turmoil. Okay, so choose your deck wisely. Think of any stone or any deck. If you want to choose both decks, you can choose both decks, or it's up to you guys. And you can even pause my video if you want to. Okay, so we will start with our first pile. Those who choose this clear quartz deck 1. Okay, so let's start with our deck 1. Let's see what is there for deck 1. Is there a new love or old love coming towards your way? Okay, what is there for deck 1? Those who chose deck 1, angel spirit, please guide me. Is there old love coming for them or new love? Angel spirit, please guide me. Sorry guys, my voice has cracked down a bit. Is there a new love or old love? Angel spirit, please guide me. Is there old love coming for deck 1 or new love? Okay, let's see what is there. 10 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune reverse, Page of Swords, too much of Pentacles is there, 8 of Wands I'll take last, and end of the deck is the World. Okay, what I feel from deck 1, you or your partner could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There is a lots of Pisces energy here and lots of air is here. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay guys, you or your person could be those who choose this deck 1. First of all, I see there is lots of financial issues going on. You are holding on your past, or mostly like I feel this person is emerging from your past. Okay, what I feel. एंड आपका जो हो सकता है पास्ट में ब्रेकअप फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़ की वजह से हुआ हो, एंड ये पर्सन जो है हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है आपके लिए, एंड हो सकता है आप भी हार्ड वर्क कर सकते हो इस वक्त. प्लस ही विल फाइट फॉर यू एंड कम बैक, बट दिस इज़ नॉट अ राइट टाइम टू come for him or her. Right now he is too much busy in making money. He is himself insecure and he or she is holding back to you a lot. वो आपके बारे में सोचते भी हैं, and this person is definitely from past, what I feel. Okay, but he or she will definitely fight for you and come back, and they will definitely communicate to you guys. Okay, you will get a phone call, anything, a message, or you have met this person online from Instagram, Facebook, or anything, any site. Okay guys, but this person is from your past. He or she is not a new person. ये definitely अपने फैमिली को मनाकर भी आएंगे आपके पास, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लेकर आएंगे आपके पास जब ये आएंगे पर्सन. ओके, जब आपकी फ़ाइट हुई थी इनके साथ पैसों को लेकर हुई होगी, तो ये अब इसीलिए मनी बनाने में बिज़ी आपके लिए, बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं ये पर्सन. एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेट है आपके लिए. ये बहुत ज़्यादा फाइट करेंगे आपके लिए, आगे जाके मूवमेंट लेंगे, बट स्लोली, अभी नहीं लेंगे बट स्लोली लेंगे. So now let's see what is there with our romance cards for you guys, those who choose this deck 1. Okay, so let's see what is there for deck 1. Will it be a new person or will it be a old person? Will it be a new person or will it be a old person? Will it be a new person or will it be a old person? Will it be a old person or will it be a new person? Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 1. Codependency addictions are affecting your love life. As I said, this person is addicted to you. You both are very dependent on each other. बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिक हो एक दूसरे के साथ आप, तो आपको डिटैचमेंट करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, you don't have to be dependent on each other so much. Addictions are affecting your own romantic love life. Okay, and let's see what is the end of the deck. Okay, pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Okay, you have to guys pay attention to the red flags. आपको जो भी साइंस दिख रहे हैं, स्पेशली अगर रेड फ्लैग्स दिख रहे हैं, आप उनका ख्याल रखिए, जिनने भी ये पायल बनी है. मे बी यू विल गेट मैनी साइंस इफ़ योर पास्ट लवर इज़ कमिंग बैक टू यू. If you are in twin flame, you will see a 1111 number, 333, 555, these type of numbers a lot. And I feel you guys are twin flame connection, and this guy or a girl is from your past. He is definitely your past lover, your ex, especially for some people. Okay, so this was my reading for our deck 1. Now we will go for our deck 2, those who choose deck 2. But this person will definitely trigger you guys. Okay, be careful with that. He will again make you feel stuck and feel depressed. For some people it is, not for everybody, for deck 1. Okay, those who chose this deck 2, Black Turmoil, let's see what it is. What is for deck 2? What is for deck 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for deck 2? What is there for deck 2? What is there for deck 2? I won't take so many cards. Guide, Angel, please guide me with 1 card or 2 card. For deck 2, will there be a old love or new love? Will there be a old love or new love? Be a old love or new love? Okay. 5 of Pentacles, the Sun. Will there be a old love or new love for deck 2? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me for deck 2. Is it old love or is it a new love emerging for deck 2? The World. Again 4 of Cups. The Empress. King of Rods. And 3 of Rods reverse. Too much of past energies are coming again and again, but I feel there can be a new person also, an old person also. You had a breakup because of third parties. Third parties were interfering in your love life, guys. Those who choose this deck too, there was a third party situation. Okay, I feel there were more female in your part. It could be a mother of a son or mother of a daughter, and your sun signs would be you or your partner Gemini, Libra, Aquarian, Taurus, Virgo, and Leo, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Leo is very, very, very strong here. Okay, and fire is very, very strong here, guys. So दिस कुड, आई फील दैट आपका एक तो जो ब्रेकअप हुआ था वो थर्ड पार्टी की वजह से हुआ था, एंड दिस कुड बी समवन फ्रॉम पास्ट ऑल्सो, समवन फ्रॉम न्यू. व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग एनर्जी गाइज, पास्ट, न्यू, बट आई फील इट्स अ न्यू पर्सन मोस्टली. एंड इन्होंने लाइक आपसे सपोर्ट मांगा होएगा, हो सकता है या तो आप छोड़ के चले गए हो इनको पास में, या तो ये आपको छोड़ के गए होंगे, एंड ये आपसे मूव आउट करने की कोशिश कर चुके होंगे. मुझे ये फील हो रहा है. कुछ लोगों के लिए तो ब्लॉक है ये पर्सन पास से. ओके, एंड अभी जो ये पर्सन है आपको, कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है ये न्यू पर्सन आपको एम्प्रेस के रूप में देख रहे हैं, ये आपके बारे में सोचते हैं. कुछ लोगों के लिए जो अभी मिले हैं इस पर्सन से, ये अभी आपके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं, and they are overthinking a lot, deep thinking. They want to offer you a cup. हो सकता है या तो आप भी डर रहे हो इनसे कि आ जाएंगे फिर तमाशा क्रिएट करेंगे. कुछ लोगों के लिए ये पास से है, कुछ लोगों के लिए ये न्यू ऑफर आ सकता है, न्यू लव है इस पाइल में. इट्स लाइक बोथ ऑप्शंस आर देयर. ओके, व्हाट आई फील फ्रॉम एनर्जी. ओके, सो you will definitely get a offer, but most of you are refusing a new partner. You are not allowing that new partner to come towards to you, and this person is also juggling and you are also juggling. कुछ लोगों के लिए ये पास से जगल भी बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहा है, एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए गुड न्यूज़ आते आते रुक रही है. न्यू पर्सन खुद आना चाह रहा है पर वो आ ही नहीं पा रहा है. कुछ लोगों के लिए तो ये पास से भी है पर वो अभी आ ही नहीं रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ योर own heart is not open. So it is a kind of both energy I can see. A new person is also coming and a old person can also come in this pile. Okay, now let's see what is from our romance part. Angel, please guide me for deck 2. Is it a new person or is it a old person? What is the situation? 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 Trust. Okay guys, I feel you are not able to trust, or this person is not able to trust right now. Maybe you have left them on from past and you have already blocked this person, right? Or they may have blocked you from social media. सो आपको ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा. आप भी नहीं ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं इस इंसान को. स्टार्ट ट्रस्टिंग इफ़ यू आर विद अ न्यू पर्सन, टॉकिंग टू अ न्यू पर्सन. सो स्टार्ट ट्रस्टिंग. ओके, इस डेक में न्यू पर्सन के आने के बहुत चांसेस है. आपको ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा. ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. ओके, ट्रस्ट दिस पर्सन whosoever is giving you love, offering you love offer, marriage offer. Okay, the situation is calling you to have faith. Okay guys, so trust the process, trust the person. Okay, and end of the deck is very soon. Okay, as I said, you guys are confused. Even this guy is confused. He is feeling so scared to come. जिसका कुछ लोगों के लिए ये पास से हो सकता है और कुछ लोगों के लिए ये न्यू से हो सकता है. सो यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस एंड प्लीज़ get clarity in your mind so that universe can also give you clarity what you exactly want. Even this guy or a girl is getting confused what my person wants, so that's why he or she is not coming to you, whether it's a new or it's a old. Okay guys, so this was my reading today. ये आज की रीडिंग थी और अब हम आपको नेक्स्ट रीडिंग में मिलेंगे ज़रूर कोई ना कोई न्यू टॉपिक के साथ. Okay guys, hope you liked my reading. Do subscribe my channel, and if you want free reading, so you can contact me. If there is a free reading for only people who will subscribe my channel, and if your reading resonated, do likes and comment below section. You can also contact me through Instagram, and I will add you as in my group as usual, and you can ask me question privately from WhatsApp, share with your friends, and otherwise I do reading only on payment mode. Okay guys, Google Pay, PayPal is present there. And so let me know. Thank you everybody. Bye bye. Do press the bell icon for sure. Don't forget it guys. Okay guys, bye bye. See you soon. Let me know if your reading resonated, situation resonated. Do comment below section. Bye bye.